Welcome to our channel Box Office Release. Let's start the video now. Ever considering PUBG Corporation that owns PUBG Mobile, PUBG Mobile India and PUBG Mobile Lite titles has introduced that it will be making a return to the Indian marketplace with the advent of an Indian subsidiary and a brand new recreation. Game enthusiasts throughout the country are eagerly looking ahead to the reliable release of PUBG Mobile India. Taking to social media systems and the reliable internet site, the agency has teased the go back of PUBG Mobile India, while a few reviews advocate that the War Royale creation can be released with the aid of using the primary week of December. Different portals recommend that the release of the sport will be delayed. Sources within inside the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology has claimed that the sport is but to obtain the authorities' nod to perform in India again. Any banned entity can't perform simply with the aid of floating a brand new agency. This even TikTok or all of us else can do. They will get permissions from MEITY to perform yet again in India. An unnamed ministry reliable affiliated with MEITY told Inside Sport. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest update about all series and upcoming movies. It becomes stated that PUBG Corporation has floated a brand new agency to release a War Royale recreation to India. Reports had claimed that the Ministry of Corporate Affairs has accredited PUBG India Private Limited. Besides, it has become additionally stated that the agency has already been indexed at the ministry's internet site with a legitimate corporate identity number and the registered workplace is in Bengaluru. Contrary to the reviews of Inside Sport, numerous net portals have stated that the makers will formally release the sport in India with the aid of using the primary week of December. According to updates from PUBG Corporation, the Indian model of the sport will function a few adjustments and could be barely distinguishable from the worldwide model of the sport. Krafton signs deal with Microsoft Azure. If reviews are to be believed, Krafton Inc., the figure agency of PUBG, has signed an address Microsoft Azure to host the former's multi-platform products consisting of all variations of the Royal Recreation. This partnership becomes aimed towards decreasing the Chinese connection for which the sport becomes banned with the aid of using the Narendra Modi-led authorities. Notably, the immensely famous PlayerUnknown Battleground mobile app became a number of the 118 Chinese apps that the Indian authorities banned in September over countrywide safety concerns. To get the ban lifted, PUBG Corporation made the selection to now not authorize the PUBG Mobile franchisee to China primarily based Tencent Games in India. Thank you for watching the video till the end, and for more box office, movie, web series, reviews, news and update, please visit our website www.boxofficerelease.com, and if you like our video, hit the like button and share with your friends. To stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Box Office Release.